Question 10. The box plot shows information about the sales in thousands of pounds of an online store each month. Andrew says 3/4 of the given data lies between 160,000 and 350,000 because these are the values of the lower quartile and the upper quartile. Andrew is wrong. Explain why. They are indeed the values of the lower and upper quartile. Since each small square on this axis represents 10, we can see that the lower line of the box comes down at 6 squares past 100, so that's 160, and then the upper box is 5 past 300, which is 350, and these sales are in thousands. However, the lower and upper quartile mark the bounds of the central 50% of data. If you think you've got 25% below it and 25% above, leaving you with 50% of the data in between. The table shows information about the sales in thousands in a shop each month. On the grid below, draw a box plot for this information. So we've got the least value is 30, so we put a line here for the lowest value. The lower quartile is the lower line of our slightly bigger box, so at 80. The median is the midline here, so that's at 170. The upper quartile is 260, and then the greatest value is 350. We'll join these middle values with our box, and then we've got our lines here on the side. So that is our box plot. Part C, compare the distribution of the sales with the online store with the distribution of the sales in the shop. Typically, you want two observations here, one to do with the median value and then the other to do with the spread of data. And so the median is lower for the shop. We have a median of 170, and online the median is 200. And the spread of data is greater in the online store. As you can see, this box is wider, and so the interquartile range is greater.